In this video, we're gonna perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on a Nothing phone for a Pro. So let's get right into it. We're gonna check how long we have to hold our finger in order to unlock the phone, and of course, how long does it take to, well, in terms of animation, how long does it take to unlock the device. So as you can see, the animation is pretty smooth. It immediately shows up the home screen. The animation is also pretty fine, nothing unusual. All your stuff from the home screen just pops out onto the screen. But the good thing about this fingerprint sensor is that it's very responsive, it's very fast. This is of course the optical fingerprint sensor, not ultrasonic, but honestly it's pretty close to ultrasonic. I have to say that compared to some other smartphones that use ultrasonic, maybe not ultrasonic, other smartphones that use the optical sensor, this one definitely feels like one of the fastest ones on the market, at least right now, of course, to this date. So while tapping does not really allow you to unlock the phone, you just have to like touch and hold for like a fraction of a second in order to unlock the device on a lock screen, of course. So you can see that while just tapping is not working, but if I like hold it for like that fraction of a second, it's like quarter of a second, maybe something like that, this amount of time is enough to unlock the phone. Personally, I didn't experience any issues with recognizing the fingerprint. Maybe it's just that the fingerprint was scanned pretty well on my part, but maybe it's just the fact that the sensor is just really good. And of course, if we take a look at the AOD, for example, then here the difference might be slightly noticeable. In here, of course, we have to hold our finger for slightly longer time as well. So I think if I just have to guess based on what I see, there is a tiny difference in the speed in terms of how long we have to hold our finger in order to unlock the phone. But the difference is actually quite small. So it's still pretty fast. It doesn't take too long for the phone to unlock itself if I use the fingerprint sensor while having the AOD visible. It's still pretty fast, but I think it is slightly slower than on lock screen. I might be wrong, maybe it's just my my perception or something, but yeah, it's still pretty fast. The difference might be just very, very tiny, but I feel like it is slightly slower. Maybe not, but you get the idea. So of course, now we're gonna check the sensor when it is not visible. Of course, we need to disable AOD for that. So let me just quickly do so. And in here, of course, once the sensor is not visible, because if you lock your phone, the sensor is still visible for a short amount of time, and it's pretty much the same as while having AOD enabled. I think it's identical. But what matters the most is, of course, how long does it take to unlock the phone when the sensor is not active. This is where the fingerprint sensor is the slowest, and this is nothing unusual. This is just how it is, because the phone needs a little bit of time to wake up the sensor and to make it recognize the sensor, or try to recognize the fingerprint, that is, not the sensor. So here, if I hold my finger, as you can see, it definitely takes longer to unlock the phone. I'm gonna have to wait for the sensor to completely turn off in order to try that again. So as you can see, now we have to hold for something close to a second to be able to unlock the phone, which is still not a long time, of course, but definitely at this point you can see the difference between that and the lock screen. But I believe that we unlock the phone for the most part, most often, when it's completely locked, when the screen is completely off. So in here, if I try to hold my finger for the same amount of time that I do on the lock screen or AOD, or when the sensor is visible, it doesn't work. As you can see, the sensor wakes up, but it doesn't have enough time to read the fingerprint, to check out the fingerprint. So we definitely have to hold for a slightly longer time. It's still, I believe it's still like below 1 second, or like I said, maybe close to 1 second, but it's still pretty fast. I don't have anything that I can complain about in this case. I just think that the fingerprint sensor on Nothing phone for a Pro is really great. Considering once again the fact that it is not ultrasonic, I think it's really fast. So in the case of the speed, I think it's very solid, very good. Even when the screen is off, it's still pretty well made. It's still pretty fast, especially compared to other smartphones that still use the optical fingerprint sensor. So this is how it looks like. Personally, I'm pretty happy with this one. I think it's very fast, especially on the lock screen, of course, as I mentioned and I shown. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.